Hello, we're going to Goodwood Festival of Speed, and you join us in the Hannah's merch area. Hannah's behind the camera now. We've got all merch everywhere, key rings, and we thought before we start this video off, we'll show you that we made, like, when we went to America with the GT3, everywhere we went, we got a little souvenir. So we've got like a car trek thing there. We went Champion Porsche there. We've got Champion Porsche hats. We've got VinWiki merch and a bunch of other cool stuff, and they're different in every single box. So we're going to give one of these hampers to someone who orders within the next 100 orders on the shop from today's date. So if you order anything, a keyring, hoodie, any cleaning products, then if you win the first 100 orders, we will choose 4 of you. We'll have one of these. Let's go to Goodwood.
Fantastic, let's go.
We're going in the M5. We're not going to go in the Range Rover because it's just a boat. The M5 is the coolest one to go in, which has got 4 doors. Sorry, C63, but it's just too rowdy.
4 doors.
Yeah, and Ken Block's car over there.
Ken Block's here.
Yeah. Matt, look where we are.
Wow, we made it.
Made it here, and it's absolutely throwing it down with rain. Everyone's just getting through, and we're in performance parking now, and there's lots of performance car. Matt, pick your best performance car just from looking at it.
SVJ.
Yeah, it's a go-to, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh, it's a Mercy.
Oh, let's go to the Mercer. Oh, that's loads better than mine.
Oh yeah, that's a proper Mercy.
SV. Or is it a real SV?
Yeah, that is.
I think it is. Yeah, I think it is. It's got the SV seats and everything. Loads better than mine. Well, we've got a lot more to see. Let's carry on.
So I'm here today at Goodwood with Matt Armstrong.
Matt told him my height.
Oh,
I think I've grown a bit.
Yeah.
5'9".
It's because you must have been leaning forward.
Leg day got skipped. That's good, isn't it? I think we need this for thumbnails. So today's the only day that we're actually meant to be kind of working, and we're on the eBay stand over there. The eBay garage. There's Becca. Right, so Becky needs some work doing on a car, so I don't want to get the merch dirty, so we're on it. I think the suspension's collapsed. I've got a microphone, and now we're about to do some official stuff to the camera. Like, I fix cars, I don't do this, so this is going to be hard.
Audio check.
What's your best impression of a car engine?
Look behind me. I'm about to do like an interview on stage in my eBay overalls, and speak to everyone here and do like a little question and answer with Otis, who actually I used to watch like a lot when I was a kid, and I don't think he knows that, so I'm like fangirling already. Wait till you see him, you'll definitely recognise him from like the Gadget Show, and he's definitely been on CBBC and stuff like that. But yeah, he's going to ask some questions, and I'll bring you guys on stage as well so you can see the kind of crowd, which is a bit mental. But let's do it. There's a lot of people. Oh wow.
Yeah, biggest crowd yet.
So we're filming on the Mark II channel, so if everyone can make loads of noise so it makes me look popular, that's great. Okay, I feel a little bit more at home now. Thank you. I wasn't going to mention anything, but I'm really fanboying over you because I've seen you so much on TV and I watched you when I was a kid, so I didn't want to... Absolute pleasure, man. Really enjoyed it. Cheers. Right, me and Becky are having a game. I already absolutely annihilated her in Lapland at drifting. So now, she's on my turf. We're on mechanics, so I'll batter her in this, and then Becky's cancelled.
Do you know what? Ready?
Don't even come at me. What is that?
You'll find out.
Okay.
Ready?
3, 2, 1, go.
Absolute scum.
Steal a bit. I didn't think of that ever.
Where's this?
No, you're not. No.
Dirty cheat! I don't know, well, let everyone in the comment section agree or disagree, but yeah, think we need to go back on the track and have a little
You
drift
know what
on.
it is? It's like, remember when we were in Lapland, you managed to cheat the system?
Yeah, remember when I absolutely battered her? At
Yeah, I
drifting?
remember
I was
that.
just sideways the whole track. Yeah, we won't bring it up. Matt, put the clip in now.
How do you drop, like, how do you add 700 metres of drop a minute? Your machine.
Is that? No, honestly, it's a bad.
Yeah.
So much better, so much better. We need a rematch. Well, day 2 and Goodwood is cancelled because apparently it's really windy, and it is really windy, which is dangerous. So now we're looking for things to do in Portsmouth. Keep going, Chris. Let's go. Yeah.
You love Jesus.
We've got these limited edition Murcielago t-shirts, car vertical, Matt Armstrong on the back. I'm going to ask someone maybe a couple of difficult questions to see whether they can get the t-shirt, but there's only 100 available. Maybe you guys will know at home the answers. Let's ask someone. Let's start off easy, For the t-shirt, what is the name of my dog? Do you know? He's won the t-shirt! What is the name of my dad? I've only said it in one video, I think.
Yeah.
No one got it?
No one knows. Next question.
Okay, next question. Spell Murcielago.
Oh, Jesus Christ.
Someone must be able to spell Murcielago.
No.
No, no.
E-L.
First car I rebuilt. Oh, I think it was first. That was. Where do I get the wheels from for my car?
Wheelmania.
Too easy. Do you know what other Lamborghini I own?
One bang.
Do you know who owned the Porsche GT3 before me?
And a very well educated call. They said,
He got it right. I think it was a phone a friend. This is what we're after. We're confused because we thought you're supposed to have a side repeater for an MOT in the UK. So normally there's an indicator here, but there's no indicator. There's no indicator on the wing mirrors, and there's none anywhere. So maybe you don't have to have one. Why? Swag apparently. We're having a look at the Ferrari to see if we're missing anything. Obviously we're missing an engine, but we're missing anything else. We're missing a lot. We weren't allowed up here. Only VIPs are allowed, but they let us up and they let all of us up. And so shout out to BMW. We're in. Cheers BMW. He's put it straight in the hay bales, just over there.
It's not good.
It's not looking good.
Let me tell you right now.
What car was that, Chris?
That was a BMW M1, the original M car, and let me tell you that is an expensive car to repair, and you would not want to be footing the bill for that.
Has it got registration we can car vertical it?
Do you know what? It might actually. Should we check?
Yeah, we should check.
Let me check on that for you. Let me get right back.
How bad's the damage? Oh, it's oh dear.
Hey, that's not good.
He's eaten the hay bale.
Yeah,
It's not good.
not ideal.
It's not good at all. He's going down there. It's a shameful. It's the drive of shame now. I think that's what they're deliberately doing. They're showing it to everyone now, aren't they?
They go in.
This is what happens
stunting.
when you ignore the brake markers here,
And the
and over there, and there, and then you brake around there.
He did a good job of it, though.
Yeah, I like it.
I'm
Yeah.
proud to be a BMW owner.
Played it safe. Played it safe.
So much better than yours.
Thank you. Hannah reckons that she's taller than a Urus.
I am.
Hannah doesn't want to get rid of the Range Rover, but she says because she's taller than a Urus, she doesn't want it.
Stupid.
And there's no way you're taller than a Urus.
I am. I swear to God.
Let's find
How
out.
much do you want to bet?
Let's find
How
out.
much do you want to bet?
I'll bet you a Urus that you're not taller than a Urus. You're not taller than that. You're not. That's a perf as well. It's lower. There's no way you're taller than that. Go and stand next to it.
Cheers.
What the hell?
We're both 6'2".
Well, looks like gotta get a Urus.
What do you think of a Lamborghini Urus, Hannah?
It's
not quite like my Range Rover.
Oh, Hannah, that suits you. You look
Don't
so
look
good
at the
in there.
cockpit. It looks good, that.
Click up the start button, just see how that feels. Oh, damn.
I think Kevin will like this.
Kevin would love this car.
I know. Kevin will be like, yeah.
Think about how
Urus.
happy Kevin would be in here.
What does everyone else think? There is a broken Urus on Copart. Should we go for it, or should we just get Hannah another Range Rover?
Oh, suicide.
Oh my! It's so much bigger.
Oh, man, we could be driven around in this.
Oh yeah, we should get the colour.
Yeah, we should get the
Kevin would like this because it's got a window at the back. Yeah, this one is a lot better, but.
And it works. Look. Does it have a fridge?
No fridge.
No
Can I
fridge.
just-
No fridge.
But does your Urus have?
Umbrella. My Range Rover's better than this.
The Range
my
Rover's
God.
better than this.
Oh my God! What? Range Rover fangirl.
Innit? She needs to sort it out.
This is a BMW, so I can see why she doesn't like it.
Oh, yeah, she's not a BMW fan, is she?
No.
Bye-bye,
That's
have
good,
a good
isn't it?
time.
That's pretty good. So Urus or Cullinan? Brilliant.
And out of all three,
Wow.
Well, at least Range Rover's cheaper. How good is that? I know. If they redid the Diablo, that's how it should be done.
And it's a dogleg box as well. First is where second would be.
Oh. They go up, don't they, Matt?
yeah, they literally pop up headlights.
That is the coolest thing I've seen. Well, it's better than the Countach one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's done properly.
And the Countach one's too modern.
That's why I agree. This is spot
I
on.
like this.
We're back from Goodwood and the car's been transferred back. We have a small damage as well. I think there was an issue loading it onto the trailer, and it's luckily we've not painted this before, but
Not very.
yeah, I think it hit the tent. Oh, we've got a sticker as well that we didn't. Free advertising.
It's blurred.
We go. It's blurred. It's blurred. It's not DDE approved. Let's take it off.
Confronting my Armstrong.
No, we keep DDE respect, and we keep Smee as well respect.
Team 150.
Yeah. Okay. Actually, I said we're keeping them. We've actually now got to take them all off.
You're doing what?
We've got to take all these stickers off because finally, and I know all you guys have been waiting for it, it's finally going to get painted. So the body shop, really, we're going to get a better price by doing this. By stripping it all ourselves, we're going to get a better price, and also we're not risking the body shop damaging anything on the car when they take it off, because you could just damage one little clip on this and it end up being 15 million £100 as well. So we're going to strip this and then get it to the body shop. Let's do it. I reckon wing mirrors off, door cards off, bit of the interior trim off, bumpers, headlights, arch linings. Wham! One wing mirror. Oh, and by the way, we've got Jack over here in our second channel video. Look, he's painting. We just got him over from America just to paint a rocker cover in. Yeah. Everyone knows Jack. He's been on the channel before. He's doing an Evo in Florida with Freddie. We didn't get Freddie, unfortunately. We couldn't afford Freddie. Shout out Freddie, you're missing out. Could have helped to strip the Murcielago or paint a rocker cover like what Jack's doing.
How was Goodwood 2023?
It was awesome.
Awesome.
Yeah, it was absolutely awesome.
What was your favourite bit?
Can I answer that in a minute?
Did you get to meet any fans?
Yeah, hundreds.
Did
No
you
one
show-
knows my name.
That's Dad, that's your name.
Time is 11:15, and me and Hannah have just about finished stripping the Murcielago, and it's looking very sorry for itself. Back on the old wheels and completely stripped to pieces. How cool does it look from the back? Look at that. But half of the Murcielago is inside the Range Rover. I've got a flat tyre on these ones, and most of it's stripped. I think I've just got to get this trim off because the painter said that is not going to be great masking that off because it's such a sharp gap. But it's pretty cool. You can see without the back wings, you can see where the cooling kind of sucks all the air into the radiator. We can see the actual exhaust, but it just looks really sorry for itself again. It looks probably worse. Got all the signatures. Dave from DDE, Damon from DDE, Shmee, best YouTube channel, but it's not there anymore. Josh, who helped us before we went. Wheelmania's phone number for wheels. Wheelmania. And Chris. There's loads of people that signed it. But I don't think the paint job is going to take away from the personality of this car. It's going to be pretty cool, especially what we've got planned for after the paint. But I want to show you guys this in the light tomorrow. Oh, all the door cards are stripped inside as well. Oh my God. Here it is, the last time. All of you guys will see it, and it's ready for the body shop, really. We're going to be towed there, but it's completely stripped apart. Look at the back of it. Kind of looks worse than when we first got it, but everything is stripped now, ready for paint. You guys will see the colour very soon. 4 to 6 weeks I think it's going to take. Let's get it to the body shop. But for now, this video is finished. Thanks so much for watching it. If you enjoyed it, hit the subscribe button, hit that thumbs up button, and I'll see you over on the main channel. Peace out.
Could be your alpha, could be your Romeo. Tell them boys back up, I ain't going nowhere. I'ma fight that back up, put it on your story so all your friends see it, everyone can see it. And we going and going and going.